The liver, a vital organ responsible for numerous essential functions including detoxification, protein synthesis, and the production of biochemicals necessary for digestion, can suffer damage due to various factors such as viruses, excessive alcohol consumption, and obesity. Recognizing liver damage early can be challenging because its symptoms are often subtle or unusual. Here are 7 strange symptoms that may indicate liver damage. 1. Spider angiomas. Spider angiomas are small, spider-like blood vessels visible under the skin. They typically appear on the face and upper body. While they can occur in healthy individuals, their presence in large numbers may be a sign of liver disease, particularly cirrhosis. They result from the liver's inability to metabolize estrogen, leading to elevated levels in the bloodstream, which cause blood vessels to expand. 2. Palmar erythema. Palmar erythema refers to the reddening of the pons, often accompanied by a warm sensation. This symptom can be linked to various conditions, but it is frequently associated with liver damage. Similar to spider angiomas, palmar erythema is thought to result from hormonal imbalances, particularly elevated estrogen levels due to impaired liver function. 3. Fetor hepaticus. Fetor hepaticus, also known as breath of the dead, is a distinct, musty odor of the breath. This occurs when the liver is unable to filter out certain toxic substances, leading to their accumulation in the bloodstream and their eventual exhalation. The presence of this peculiar odor can be a telltale sign of severe liver dysfunction or advanced liver disease. 4. Asterixis. Asterixis, or liver flap, is a tremor of the hands when the wrists are extended. It is a neurological symptom caused by hepatic encephalopathy, a condition where the liver cannot adequately remove toxins from the blood, resulting in their buildup and subsequent brain impairment. This involuntary movement is a key indicator of significant liver impairment. 5. Gynecomastia. Gynecomastia is the enlargement of breast tissue in men. This unusual symptom occurs due to the liver's inability to metabolize hormones effectively, leading to an imbalance between estrogen and testosterone. Elevated estrogen levels can cause the development of breast tissue, often an embarrassing and distressing sign of underlying liver disease. 6. Itchy skin. Persistent itching, medically known as pruritus, can be a symptom of liver damage. The exact cause is not entirely understood, but it is believed to be related to bile salt accumulation in the skin due to impaired bile flow or cholestasis. This itching can be severe and widespread, significantly affecting the quality of life. 7. White nails, also known as Terry's nails. This condition is characterized by the whitening of the nails, leaving a narrow band of pink or brown at the tip. It can be indicative of various systemic conditions, including liver disease. The whitening occurs due to changes in the vascular system and reduced blood supply to the nail beds, often seen in chronic liver conditions such as cirrhosis. Liver damage is a serious health concern that can manifest in a variety of unusual ways. Recognizing these strange symptoms early can lead to timely diagnosis and intervention, potentially preventing further liver damage and improving outcomes. If you notice any of these symptoms, it is crucial to seek medical advice promptly. Regular checkups and a healthy lifestyle can also play a significant role in maintaining liver health and preventing damage.